Groups of farmers who carry on their farming activities along the banks of the river Umngot yesterday, the 25th of March 2022, held a public meeting where they had taken a decision to oppose the construction of the dam till they get in writing from the government the scrapping of the Umngot hydroelectric project. The construction of the dam will greatly affect the thousands of farmers who earn their livelihood through tourism activities along the river Umngot. The public meeting, which was held at Minsang village under Maukonraw block, was also attended by leaders of the Joint Action Committee against Umngot Hydroelectric Project, together with leaders of various NGOs that include the KSU, the JSU, FKJ, GP, HNYF, TUR and the Meghalaya Rural Tourism Forum. The public meeting was also attended by the village elders of all villages along the Umngot River and also the elders from Ilaka Darang who shouted slogans to oppose the construction of the dam. Speakers during the meeting included Secretary of the JSC, Shempanghun Mukim, farmers Dranik Mukim of Minsang village, Sordar of Mausir, Dwiat Lenchiang, Sapina Suting of Umsao village, Quinlang Nongbri of Ksandringi village, Klip Linshing, member of Raj Lingshing, Pinshai Sinjri Sordar of Nongjrong, Pinskem Mukim, president of Kenhun Nongrep, and NGO members, FKJGP's Briss Mautho, Trebor R. Suchen of the JSU, Shining Star Karbi Keo of the KSU, Tma Urangli's Angela Rengat, Tourism Officer Reaching San Kongwang, and the Sordar of Shnongpleng Village, Doloy Ilaka Darang, Perwalemba.
Kasorkar kum gani ka project, kalamut basdang house ni am arajar katnyo, kata mengikut ke kenci project. Kata kenci project imut bandan tik kumadan ni gani kawa umut. Hang tai kenci project, kam dadon tandre ni kipat ba, kiba persya, don we artele gisnong kiba sakta. Rena priang jo kita kiwe gisnong, kidon ro kiba layabet ba kilasa bandan ni kata kenci project. Kebom dan lum, kebom dakta tandre, ikpai ba, kebom dakta tandre, ya gariap kering, jong ikpai ba. Na priang yang song sidong, kilasa ban penjat sahmat ya kata kenci project. Hari mana persa ya kata kenci project. Askuak ban pentip ipai kelong ba, lada den ya kenci project, kaum kalak ban poi, haka caka bagiti urnium. Tang nakadau ba kaum lada kiden ka poi, hata caka ti urnium, kaum kasorkar kam tre era banden ya kenci project. Kecingkelai ke bumi andai lada sakta lada ti urnium sakta asupai ba lada den sakta urnium ke sorkar ke kloiban pendam no ikata ke projek hele ke sorkar pat andai lada ka den ya ka wa ngot ki babun ba ki sakta la se yak ubro kum ke sorkar pat kam kendra den nak te katau pe mo kwa badong ipai pemdere badong ba oh pak meske pula ni menyukun bak sorkar ngi don rekat ya ke sorkar sna ma mapai ya omle sna kit ma mapai kam dire ke sorkar klain bori di upai ba klain bori ke sorkar. Wat juduk jengkermen lagi don hano nak benta lengba kani ka kubur mamata sngai la se don gisnong ke bakarsan yang ka wa muaro lengba kani ka kubur mamata sngai ngimdere barlong ki barha tatrai borokhoi ida don la kajong jinget kaniam ka balang itrai ngiju ya hikai mo ba longgar balong jia ka baja ngidi hap ndirak markeling